Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Monster Hunter Wilds Fatal D3D error on PC. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your Steam library. Over here, right click on Monster Hunter Wilds and select Properties. After that, go to the General tab and type Force D3D11 under Launch Options. Then play Monster Hunter Wilds. After that, open Windows Settings, go to System, then About, and click Advanced System Settings. Over here, click Settings under Performance, then go to the Advanced tab. Click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Then select the drive with at least 32 GB of free space. Check Custom Size, input 16384 for initial size and 32768 for maximum size and press OK. Then restart your PC. Then go back to your Steam library, right-click Monster Hunter Wilds, hover over Manage and click Browse Local Files. Over here, right-click the game executable and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check Run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 8 from the drop-down. Apply the changes. After that, open MSI Afterburner and underclock your GPU by 300 MHz. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, open the NVIDIA control panel, click the Help button and select Debug mode. Then, in the NVIDIA control panel, go to Manage 3D Settings. Click the Program Settings tab and select Monster Hunter Wilds. Enable max frame rate and set a value for it. So that's basically how you can fix Monster Hunter Wilds Fatal D3D error on PC. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.